Hello, Chef here. So this video I'm going to touch on some points on butcher block and maintaining butcher block. However, over the years a lot of people have asked me, Chef, how do you get such an awesome patina, the color on the butcher block? This one, by the way, has been used by many of the chefs for over 10 years. The color's amazing. I'll show you what I mean. Right here. This is a brand new piece of fresh cut maple butcher block. Do you see the difference? They're the same quality. They come from the same manufacturer. That is the sponsor's partner, by the way. Check it out right there if you need quotes and prices on the good stuff. Buy the best stuff the first time. There's many reasons. First of all, perfectly flat, perfectly square, uniform coloration, 1-year warranty, food safe glue, no formaldehyde, as in the imports they're using all kinds of garbage. It's just better quality. So you want to get the best quality you can the first time, and that's what I'm going to help you on with some tips here. These are the two products we recommend and use the most. We've got the Boost Block board cream. It's got a lot of beeswax in there. It's ideal for cutting boards, countertops, islands, and all culinary utensils and wood items. Love it. This is the same deal. It's the mystery oil. It is a food safe grade mineral oil. Touch of beeswax, little scent in there. I believe it's lemon, but anyway, it's really nice stuff. And it's edible. They're both edible. I like them. I've got more tips. Subscribe and watch the next video. Yes. Learn from the chefs. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh, yeah. It's gonna be good. So I've been using this Porsche Turbo quite a few videos and for quite a while now. I really like it. Designed by F.A. Porsche. The Turbo has the blue pearl. The pearl tells you where your hand should stop, and it also stops it in the knife block. I really like this Turbo. It's a cool knife. It's starting to lose its edge. So here, before sharpening, you can see it's resisting the paper. For you, I'm making homemade vanilla extract. I want to show you these awesome vanilla beans. Sponsor's label right here, Chef Depot label. You want to use these together or your own homemade with the beans. Yeah, use these together in any recipe and wow, it's going to really, really kick. You're going to improve it greatly. In case you're wondering, I've been smoking this over hardwood coals and cherry for quite a while. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. Other videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes, how to roast the garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic, all kinds of cool stuff. I love it and I eat a lot. You can see what I got going on here. Oh yeah, it's looking really cool. I like it. I'm going to eat that. Don't forget, hit up your sponsor and get the good stuff. Yeah, get cooking and have a beautiful day. It's gonna be good. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Chef here. I wanted to talk to you today just real quickly about knife selection as well as knife maintenance. By the way, this set's about 10 years old. Looks brand new. These knives function perfectly. Well maintained, well sharpened. I take care of them. Subscribe on this channel and learn a lot more about knives and knife sets. And with that, get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, got some fresh basil here. It's looking really nice. Look at that color. Smells wonderful. I'm gonna roll this basil up. Do a really quick chiffonade. Please like, share, subscribe, smash that like button, let other people find the video. And if you want to see more about portobello mushrooms as well as pasta dishes, just check out this channel. There's a lot of awesome recipes on there. Make sure you leave a comment. Like, share, subscribe, score all the cool stuff at your sponsor, get cooking, and of course for the recipe, subscribe and watch the chef's other videos. You're going to find it. Sourdough bread. Oh, it's going to be good. Oh yeah, I got some homemade clam chowder here. I put extra clams in there, lots of potatoes, some thyme. It's good to go. Make sure you subscribe. You can check out some of the soup recipes that I decided to share. Black pepper, I love it. Oh yeah, let's put a little extra grind on there. If you want one, you can visit the sponsor and you can check them out right there. They got all kinds of them at the sponsor. Star anise. Oh, it's a really nice quality. Hard to find. Professional quality knives. This one's made in Germany. It's a really old knife. It's still going. I love it. You got to get the channel knife, and of course melon ballers, all different shapes and sizes and styles. And you got to have a stable cutting board. Rock maple. Trust the chefs. Yeah. Slam the like button. Get cooking. Oh yeah. Have a great day. It's gonna be good. Yeah. Wow, it smells so good. I can't wait. Have a beautiful day.